Hello, everyone. Yeah, welcome back. We have another simple question on probability. We are giving if three unbiased coins are toes. Unbiased, a coin has two sides. We have the edge and we have the toes. Unbiased there means fair. It can be fair coins. So the unbiased means the probability of obtaining either size of the coin is the same, is equal. That is the meaning of the unbiased there. So the probability of obtaining a head is 1 over 2, and at the same time, the probability of obtaining the tail is also 1 over 2. When their probability equal one another, you can term it as unbiased coins. So if three unbiased coins are toes, find the probability that they are all heads. I'm going to have solution. Since probability is equal to number of required outcome all over number of possible outcome. The one we can easily get here is a number of possible outcome, and the number of possible outcome here, since a coin has two sides, that means we are going to have our number of possible outcome now will now be equal to 2 raised to power 3, which is 2 times 2 times 2, and that will give us 8. That means the total number of everything when the three unbiased coins are taught, the total number will be 8. Let's try and list them. Let's start from head. We can have head. We can have head, tail. We can have head, tail, head. We can have tail, head. We can have TTH. We can have, what can we have again? TTH. We can have TTT. How many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 2 more. So which one are we going to get next? We can also have TTH. Okay, we have gotten that one. TTH is there. We can have THT. Which one again do we need to have? We can have HTT. We can have HTT. We can have HTT. So looking at this now, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 here. So from there now they said find the probability that find the probability that they are all heads. Where do we have all eggs here? All eggs only appear once here. We have this. So the answer now will now be the probability. Let me write it here. Probability PR all eggs. That will now be 1 all over 8, because we have just all eggs here and they appear just one. Here we have 2 eggs. Here we have 2. Here we have 2. But the question is, find the probability that they are all heads. That means we have where the 3 of them are head and they appear just one. So our answer now will be 1 all over 8. Thank you for watching.